If you want your home to be filled with the fresh aroma of oranges, make sure to try this recipe. Welcome to the Cookhub channel. Before we get into the details, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take 1 orange, chop it into pieces, and place it in a bowl. Crack 2 eggs over the orange, then add 200 milliliters of granulated sugar and mix with a mixer until the mixture becomes smooth and liquid. Add 100 milliliters of vegetable oil and mix again until fully combined. Add 2 cups of flour, about 400 grams, along with 1 packet of vanilla and 1 packet of baking powder. Then mix until smooth. Pour the batter into a baking pan and place it in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 40 minutes until the orange cake is fully cooked. Let it cool slightly before serving. Enjoy! Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful recipes.